Hello everybody and welcome back to Turning Tuesday. It's Mother's Day coming up and I've decided that I'm going to make my mum a little pen out of an offcut of Padauk from Rob's desk that we made a couple of weeks back. So let's get going. Now I know we've already made a pen in this series in the past, but that one went a little bit wrong with the super glue finish. So with this one, I'm just going to do a standard finish, try and do it really well because my skills have improved since then, and just see where that progression has led me, or yeah. So for this, I have got a golden pen kit, gold hardware, and it's going to look very blingy when it's done. The first thing I need to do is get these bushes into the bit of wood, which means cutting this in half and drilling a hole through the center of them. I'm just going to apply a nice little coat of friction polish to protect this thing. Looking lovely, and then I'm just going to put some of this Hampshire Sheen Pen Turner's overcoat on top of the friction polish just to give it a little bit extra protection. And there we go, there is the finished pen just in time for Mother's Day. Now I'm gonna try and be real here and not edit this bit. Chances are I'm gonna fail it, but I just wanna sort of take this opportunity to thank my mum, if you're watching this video, for supporting everything that I have done, like believing in me when I said I wanted to do furniture making as a career 7 years ago as a naive 16-year-old. Like, I think that takes a lot of guts as a parent. Yeah, see, I screwed up my words there. Like, just driving me to the train station every day to learn something that I was passionate about, taking me to exhibitions in London, and just the all-round support that she has given me throughout this whole thing. I wouldn't be doing furniture making, let alone even this whole filming thing, without her. So Mum, if you're watching this, thank you for your support. I need to stop saying support. Oh, why am I so bad at this? Mum, this really doesn't do it justice, but I hope you like it. Yeah, I'm going to end there before I just ramble too much. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next episode.